Big Lee.
Raccoon boy himself.
Da-dum.
We got a
Raccoon.
squirrel's nest here. We gotta see what we can do to relieve this situation.
It's Raccoon Boy himself.
Are you filming this?
Yes. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Is she in there, Lee?
Hello? You haven't paid the rent in the last 10 months. You gotta get up, you gotta go.
Liam, just push that down. I'll get it from the bottom.
Do you see anything, Liam?
Not yet, hold on.
Watch the squirrel jump on him.
Watch me get whiplash. Squirrel whiplash. No, they're not here. I think they moved to Florida.
All right, push him down.
Okay.
All right, we're going down.